see everyone. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at us. We're all here together in chapel for the first time in over a year.
Ready? Oh God, you are my God. Earnestly I seek you. My soul thirsts for you. My body longs for you. Lord, in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Down my heart, deep, deep down my heart. Jesus, you're my firm foundation. I put my hope in your holy word. I put my hope in your holy word.
A long time, but I'm grateful for you this morning. I'm grateful to be here. And as I share with the other group that I believe that God has a very important word for you this morning. And I want to ask you a question. How many of you here think that you can be used by God? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Hey.
Was this good? Was it good?
Yes, it was awesome.
I just wanted to tell you how much I love you and am so thankful for you and thankful for what we do here at Redbird. I also am thankful to our high school leaders who are with you, who are standing by with you to be good models. And you matter to us, young ones. You matter to us.